Are you looking for a dependable mobile European or German auto repair mechanic in the Atlanta, Georgia area that'll come or travel to you and fix your car at your home or your job? Call 404-334-3777 for faster service at an affordable price. We help so many people who've owned Mercedes, BMW, Porsche, Jaguar, Land Rover, Mini Cooper, Audi, Saab, Volvo, or Volkswagen around the Atlanta area. Give us a call now and we'll do a pre-purchase used vehicle buying inspection.
Mobile mechanic at AtlantaGA.com. We can come to you.